Ronaki Haller Ishik and Nilufer Schools, which owns schools with quality education in Kurdistan, add another success to their history. Accreditation Service for International Schools and Colleges, ASIC, UK, rewarded Ronaki International School Erbil, RISE, of Ronaki Haller Education Company for its commitment to international accreditation standards and quality education. In ASIC's Annual Conference 2019 in Malaysia, Mr. Sakar Ismail, General Manager of Ronaki Haller Education Company, received the award from Dr. Maurice Demock, Chairman of ASIC Accreditation. Representing Kurdistan in the conference, Ronaki Haller Education Company has proved its success and quality internationally.